Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about one thing, and that's about being yourself. Being yourself. Don't copy anyone. No, 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 no. Be yourself. Girls, boys, ladies and gentlemen out there, learn to be yourself. Don't be ashamed of who you are. You are beautifully and wonderfully made. Don't copy anyone. Don't. For God's sake, you are made unique. Just the way you are unique in your own self. Be yourself and learn to appreciate yourself as well. Learn to be you. Don't think, no, I have to be like Shikov. I want to be like Jerry. I want to be like Wanjo. I want to be like Rihanna. I want to be Beyonce. Come on, forget about that. There is one Beyonce in this world, and we've had enough of her. So be you. Don't copy anyone. Don't. I'm repeating this again. Don't. And trust me, if you believe in yourself, if you trust in yourself, then you will not even have that urge to be somebody else, because you appreciate yourself, you believe in yourself, you trust yourself, and you know you are you, and you are going in the right track. You will not have that urge. You won't have that urge to be somebody else. And trust your journey. My dear friends, trust your journey. Remember, this is your journey. It's not our journey. It is you alone. Your journey, your decision, your own idea. Trust your journey. Follow your own desires, the desires of your heart. You have to follow the desires of your heart, otherwise you will not be you again. If you follow somebody's desires of his or her heart, then you'll be fulfilling somebody else's dreams. Follow your heart's desires. Follow your journey. Trust your journey. Learn to appreciate yourself. It's very normal to have ups and downs in life. It's very normal to be leo unasikia poa, tomorrow usikii vizuri, and you feel like bad. No, it's normal. Don't think there's something wrong with that. It's very normal. In a human being's life, there are ups and downs. Kwa hivyo, you can't always be, huwezi kuwa always at uko juu, as in you are high. No. Trust your ups and downs. Appreciate your mistakes also, because we are here to make mistakes. We are here to correct ourselves. And remember, we learn through mistakes. Mistakes are the ones which make our journey straight and even smooth. Without mistakes, you can't learn, and you will be prone to be making mistakes again and again and again. So you have to make a mistake, you have to learn from a mistake, and you have to correct yourself. Accept your mistakes. Number one, you have to accept that mistake and say, me, Jerry, I will not repeat that again. God help me. And trust me, if you do that to yourself, things will work out. But if you keep repeating, oh my God, why did I do this? You have to regret, you have to always curse yourself. Stop that. It's normal to have mistakes. Accept them and forgive yourself. And most of all, forgive others. Don't forget to forgive others. And there's another secret also in life, and this is do not be afraid to be alone. Don't be afraid to spend time alone. No, don't. You don't always have to have people around you. You don't always have to have people who are deciding for you, who are advising you. You can get advices, but you cannot always get people there to advise you and be with you and walk along with you. No, trust your own journey. Be a loner. Sometimes it's very healthy to be a loner. Sit back, get back alone. Sit your minds down. Contemplate everything alone. Let your brain work alone without you involving A, B, C, and D. Get your own time alone, because it's very important. This is how you regenerate new energy, new ideas, and you don't always have to be there with 1,000 friends or whatever. No, trust your own things. Even when you are alone, go to a place alone and see how you can enjoy that place when you are the one making your own decision. You don't always have to make a decision with A and B and C and D. No. Trust that you can always go to a restaurant alone. Have confidence in you. Go, sit back, order some ice, order some chips, some pommes, some burger. Eat that while you are alone, and you will see a difference in you. You will enjoy yourself. You will appreciate who you are, because we always think, okay, I always have to have 1 million friends. I always have to have blah 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 with me. I always have to go to the restaurant. No. This is no. You have to. Not always. You can always have friends, but you don't have to always be with your friends. Trust yourself. Go somewhere alone. Make that risk. Go somewhere alone. Enjoy that loneliness. Enjoy that loner company. It's very good, where you don't have to decide with your other, it's also healthy, because you are allowing yourself to make decisions without including or involving other people from outside. Let yourself be there. You, yourself, and your own decisions. Yeah, I think these are some of the points that I wanted to share with you guys, because I know, especially women, we don't trust our own journeys. We are okay. Yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I hope we're going to see ourselves, or we're going to see us again soon. I wish you all a good evening and a good night. Enjoy. Share this video, like it, give it a like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.